Obećano, ispunjeno.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm live. Welcome. What's on the table? What's on the schedule? Oh. Like the bottom line scroller says, I'll do work on my website, need to do my web hub page for all stuff related, all channels, homepage. Start building on it. Okay, guess that is it. Maybe chill the music a little bit down. Not reveal how awful it is, but still make it audible. So it's been a long day discussion, long negotiation. Stream this, stream that, stream gaming, stream work, stream gaming, stream work. I want to up my work streaming game with some more content, side content, but nothing new in the visual side of the video. Just get on first deal, sort out this things I was talking about previously. Work on a web page, and I'll be building up the show notes, make a post on the blog. As the materials pile up. At first it will be just the raw drafts type of stuff, type of notes, and then work from there up to like a semi-pro type of article. I've got on the, so this is multi-stream. I'm watching, picking up all the details from all dashboards, popping out the chats. Twitch is complaining that the internet is unstable, but they don't know what they're talking about. YouTube live. YouTube should do much better work on their dashboard. It's there, but it's nothing to speak of. Maybe with some extensions, plugins, third-party stuff. But usability there's none, almost none. Why is this saying entertainment when it should say on Twitch? On the YouTube it should say people and blogs. So that's because that's what the Restream.io title update definition over there tells it to do. And it's not United States, let's say a British English. Tags, oh my god, this oh dear god, this this video description form is a real chore. let's switch to workbench and get something here interesting on the showing before I get prep the rest. Like the if I'm too close to mic, my voice is too wet. I'm sounding too wet. You can see my mouth making sounds, splashy sounds, and my light is not at the level you would expect for the. You can almost, my mouth is almost undistinguishable. These last show notes are from previous, so I'll close that scroller. Mono scroller can stay on, single line on bottom, but this multi-line away. Away you go. Where is this? I'm about to put on the slideshow of thumbnails from the first season while I was doing recorded stuff, recorded episodes, and I've got so much on my hard drive. It's a real challenge to find, and I moved this year alone. I moved around switched around computers for work and streaming while I was doing tech, so every few months the hard drive folders layout changes. So where are these? Where did I put it? Materials? No? Where be the thumbnails folder? I always pay attention on the file sizes for images, try to keep them, and the bandwidth also. Try to be more energy resource efficient than just go top quality, top file size for no reasons. Wow, this turns out, finding this folder with thumbnails, video thumbnails, turns out to be real adventure. Is this it? Yeah. Okay, I'm not showing the activate. Why is it not showing? Did I get are all chats on my screen? Chat on Bolt has GIFs from Giphy enabled. Is it Giphy? I guess so. So it looks quite very entertaining. Chat on YouTube and all chats are on, sorry. I need also close something on my mobile. Hope everybody's doing more than just fine. Perfect actually. What is up with my what's up with this USB capture for I want to display my desktop and here it is. So these colors are over. These colors are actually burning. This is default for the video configuration, video in OBS for this device. And I've done manual calibration in the dark room without the lights on two monitors to match visually colors, saturations, brightness and so on. And make a note, because the defaults aren't that good. So you can see now the video changing. I can publish this for this specific capture cards I use. There are it's two V-Star cheap capture cards. And I'll just double check. There's a conversation topic on OBS and forums for capturing about these video pros amp properties. And let's say in OBS, well, some device drivers provide their property displays for configuration of the video device, capture cameras and so on. Some are generic and just provide information through the generic Windows video configurations, and they are invoked on specific calls from software. I didn't manage to get this configuration on my request from Windows, only when, let's say, OBS invokes them. And the settings in there, when I disconnect the device from USB, it goes to default, and I connect it back, it acts like a newly installed fresh device, and it sets the video calibrations to their defaults. And I've noticed on some displays on some occasions on some specific circumstances that the colors are not good. So I've taken some time, done the manual calibration. Let's say I think I used the Switch, Nintendo Switch screenshot file from the device storage, file storage, and got that file onto the PC, and to that PC streamed capture of Switch and compared the file of a captured image, colors and stuff from Fortnite with showing its in-game graphics settings like color palette, and specifically the configuration page showing the patterns for the color impaired, color blindness calibration. And I visually matched the capture preview and the file presentation of screen capture from Switch, and manually in a dark room matched visually color settings. And I was surprised actually when I just went pushed all to 0 device video parameters and started raising them each one by one, specifically brightness, contrast and saturation. I noticed that color saturation for some content, let's say near close colors, shades get lost with high in like let's say same color, different shades, details one on top of the other, so the surrounding color wipes out the details in the similar color, different shade that is in the area of that color. And I managed to, and I was very demanding to get as good as possible those details to show up like I see it visually on the actual screen when looking original video output from, let's say, Switch. And when I noticed that, actually, then I figured out I'm on the right track. These are cheap capture devices from Amazon, from AliExpress, but for me, best I have, and they do good job for the buck. So I'll let this play like this until I grab one more thing. So now it's night time and I'm running all audio to headphones, monitoring and my work computer audio that I might share or not. I don't plan to play any third-party content. This is not the watch party, but if I find something like that's on the topic, I might use it for presentation. So I got Well, just to point out, I'm using two computers at the moment, and sometimes it requires some skill to get the audio either analog or digital from one to the other. There are a few ways, but I take it this way. Mainly my audio is analog, and the outputs are generally analog, so I've looked into how to get everything working, that I can get all analog audios streamed to my headphones depending on daytime conditions in the actual real life where I'm at, so I can adapt loudness levels for those circumstances. And I said I'll plug in this input to so I'll plug in now the input to the capture that I'm actually monitoring also on headphones and using for playback. That's the thing. My work computer speakers have the headphones output, and it mutes and it works when the speakers are off, and plugging in the jack, it automatically disables the speakers. So that's good thing, very handy. I use it a lot when possible. So these screenshots, these thumbnails, video thumbnails, are from the first season that I just started, before I was even able to stream above 1 megabit. During that time, in a year, through next following year, my internet, the area infrastructure got upgraded, so that's why I'm always now live. So this way, when streaming and doing content live, I'm always able to use online tools to edit videos, either on Twitch or YouTube, and edit them, have them published there. Well, the only platform for video that keeps the content permanently on is YouTube. Twitch and that have also video editing capabilities. Kick also shreds, deletes on the schedule videos few weeks after streaming. Bolt so far is keeping permanently all video recordings, video on demand, VODs, but that won't be like that forever. It's just well, we can I can speculate, so this is just me thinking aloud. They'll use all recorded videos to feed and train the AI, any sort. If not, because it needs to, they need to cover the expense of storage for millions of hours, if not millions of hours of stream material so far in past couple years. I think I myself have over 700 hours on the Bolt Plus TV. And so is this the moment now when, so this is the thing, now I can have content for my amusement while nobody's on the chat, and I can hear it on headphones, which is on work computer, and work computer has the here Here is my mouse. Now I'll enable those few tools I used. Will I get that tool? Maybe it doesn't work in full screen. Oh, here it is. So this is show mouse pointer, and here is highlight mouse click. And I can also enable the magnifier while streaming desktop presentation stuff. I'll just so this is magnification 50% up. My site theme color scheme has changed, and I see these old screenshots of my previous website. Style, theme, and I get a little bit nostalgic, and I'm thinking to even replicate that style of that theme for WordPress on my website. But that's for the visual colors. But first I want to sort out the content layout, because that old website, what I liked actually, well, that's good. Can I have that showing somewhere? Where is it? It's always in the background somewhere in these thumbnails. Come on, come on, come on. Here it is. So pause this, do not play. So this website theme for WordPress, it's an older style of theme. It's not block, full site edit enabled. The layout is fixed, and it provided on the desktop left column, middle column, and rightmost column. And on the mobile, these columns would stack one on top of the other in a manner that the menu from this left side would turn into hamburger menu style with a site title, and the middle column with featured image would be on right below that. There wouldn't be any side columns on the mobile, just one middle column, and the rest of the content from desktop would stack below the middle content post content column. So this would be the lowest content on the mobile, and the left side column would stack below in the middle. And that's not straightforward to do in these in this type of block. It's not straightforward, but it's possible to do it in these new type of website themes. They do support columns, but they will in the responsive manner they will react in going just from left to right. They will stack that way. Left one would be topmost, and then center or any other column will just stack below. This thumbnail turned out to be really nice. Aha, exit slideshow. So if I try get it back, where is it? This is the one. And it takes quite a lot of time to do the good thumbnail, but it just slipped. It doesn't serve, it doesn't get the attention or recognition enough. Like if I would, if it's zoomed this way. In reality, thumbnails are just this tiny, like here on the bottom, tiny things. How to make them impactful. That's the philosophy of thumbnails. I want to get the website on. There is one other theme. There is one thing I'm considering maybe using. It's the accessibility options plugin that can enable dark or light theme, or is it maybe in the WordPress theme from WordPress community developers, WordPress 2020 I think, or 2021 theme. It had the option to set the background dark, and that would I'm not sure actually. I was looking into that, how the one website with the theme 2021 I think had the option also to switch the dark and light mode, let's call it like that. Just moved back to home page and I'll grab the dashboard. I'll bring in the posts list, and also middle mouse click on this pages and bring out the pages list, created drafts and published. Because I need to actually create a page, for dedicated malware Eddy page. That's the thing. That will host info and links, images, and recent post lists for the blog, and recent videos for the platforms that provide the feed, that deliver a feed. For example, RSS feed delivered, emitted, streamed from YouTube is a great way to organize content in more efficient way on the website. Here, for example, I think this one of the pages, I think I here have a page that has, no, not this one. Is it this one? I think this, no. Or is it a post? Is it a post draft of a post? Pages and posts are somewhat similar in the content sense, in terms of content that they contain in presentation, but they are wrapped in different structure and different context in the code, and provide a different use case inside how site handles data in chronological from a chronological point of view and navigation. So let's say that pages provide the means to create a website navigation structure, while posts flow and are represented like a time-stamped status posts. So WordPress can be actually in basic blogging, using it as a blog. It works like any social feed timeline from any user, without any distractions. Just one user, one timeline. And then the pages provide actually interface from renderer, WordPress renderer for the user interface, provides actually links either to the posts that are recreated dynamically, or fixed navigation anchors, points, buttons that represent pages. I will say it bluntly. In WordPress, everything is about semantics. If that makes sense, but it requires some demystification. So I've switched here to posts, drafts, and somewhere here there might be here I keep notes for future posts. I just might publish them as they are, but they are nasty because this theme has this very large headings, very large headings. It's okay for the long big displays that and the big displays take into consideration that you don't need to sit right in front of it. This display size determines how close you'll be in front of the display. And I'm looking at the okay, this I use this as a cloud storage. Maybe it is a page, I'm not sure, on the starting position, or I just deleted it, but I've been experimenting. Maybe it's on another website. I'll log into sister website, Croatian version, off screen. And see if I can find that post with an example I just compiled. I use the draft post just to compile the resources assets from other platforms. So here are a few examples. I think this is a good example, not exactly one that I'm looking for, but it relates to what I've been mentioning, the RSS feed. The content that are streamed, for example, from here. Here what we're seeing is the embedded video from Odyssey, 2 videos. I won't be using more embeds per page than just one video. I don't want to bloat the web. This is the embed example. I could also have here embedded. This is live. I think this is live. Is this live? Yeah, this is live. So I have embedded live here in the video. And in this example, this is RSS feed using the RSS plugin that provides also thumbnails. The default generic RSS feed reader for WordPress doesn't bring in the thumbnails, doesn't have the options to do much of styling, customization on the representation visual. But this one brings in the content links, read more link, shows the excerpt thumbnail. It's possible to customize thumbnail size from the content if it's featured image. In this case, this is from Odyssey. This is from Odyssey feed, and this is from also from a blog. So this is on my sister website of edoga, and I'm showing here embedded actually with RSS feed reader displaying timeline of posts from the website that I'm working on over there. Uncut community from Wax blockchain. We just got delivered a mail from there that I'm invited in the town hall. That sounds cool, but people on live now, people watching. But great news, great news. We look into that. All blockchains now have first generation, second generation blockchains have some sort of their dedicated social platform developed like Web3 profile, timeline, feed, and so on. So this is example of that was example of, and this is good moment to put on the show notes. For future use. Multi-line, yes, multi-line. This big show note, okay, cool. Well, I'll just actually keep the previous reviews, previous live stream session from, here we go, from save, and I just enable it here. There we go, from previous, and how to distinguish them, So when I do this, I'll keep this, working on this. I won't be gaming. I thought, it's a weekend, leave the work. No. Great things happen over weekend actually, and then they own the next week and so on. Sooner you do something, it's the economy of time capital, life, time of our, that only actual capital that we own in our during our lives. It's time management. That's the number one thing. After that, time capital, time management in our lives determines all other, everything else derives from that. That's the thing. That's the game. From previous session, save that. Add this. Can I add this? Save from previous, and then maybe get some delimitation from that, for that, like this. And start in this episode. What's going on in this episode? In this episode, I'm looking over examples of looking into okay, got it. WordPress main topic is WordPress, and then everything follows. Looking over examples of embedded content like YouTube videos, no. Odyssey video or live stream. Cool. And RSS feed with images and excerpt text. Is it excerpt? What is it? Tools. I'll just jump into one. I just want to spell this excerpt. Hey Danny Bing, how you doing? Thanks for I'm late, sorry. I don't have set up yet the fancy alerts. Excerpt, yeah, good. Spelled it right. Save. I'll check in the pages. I will check is there an example. So it's similar, but some Twitch provides full live stuff, chat and video live, almost whole site embedded, whole channel. But to get it all working, it requires more tuning with JavaScript. And I'm on a shared hosting, so I will not play with those details. I will not go too far into coding. I'll just stick using WordPress as a visual tool, copy pasting, dragging blocks, content blocks, WordPress elements, which are in the basic bell elements are called blocks. No, I don't see that example here. I probably deleted it because I had in one page embedded Kick, Twitch for a test run, and also Bolt Plus, because it's possible to use iframe custom code in the posts in WordPress, and create a iframe and just embed any content that is not blocking that embedding. I need to jump away for a moment. I'll be right back. It's not the end, it is... Be right back. This page is too busy, this display, but it does deliver the message. I'll be right back. You might like this tune. Back to the workbench. Back to workbench. Cool. Get some noise in the background playing. So what's the deal with the website? For anybody who's curious, I need to build more content. I use AdSense for monetization of my work. My website is my living canvas. It's a fusion. It's like jazz for me, contemporary jazz type of public online presence, and I want to get something out of it. So But this website I'm working on is a different domain, and it needs to go through revision on Google's side to start showing adverts. And they rejected it so far a few times, even if it's way better than in 2000, in late 2000, that you would be required for getting site monetized. They explained it like it's shallow links and so on. So I need to build content and build up some more graph, internet graph, make it more connected. That is all a little bit abstract, and even for in today's circumstances, where when the mobile platforms and mobile apps rule, mobile apps actually keep internet users in the dark, because they cannot access the rest of the internet except just what's in the app. Crowd on TikTok has no clue what's going on in the rest of the internet. No clue what's website, what's there, what's here. Facebook generations has no clue what's outside of Facebook. YouTube, only thing that still works like in line with the general internet is YouTube, and Twitter is from those big tech names. But I think that Odyssey is still, it's not that it has potential, and I don't think Odyssey is a fusion of YouTube and Twitter, and allows Web3. Even by the ranking on CoinGecko, it's #1 Web3 platform. It's already developed and ready to use. Maybe it's just a bit fiddly if developers over there take time and sort out the onboarding, the ramp, like we do that. Well, anyway, you just need 2 hours to spend once in a lifetime to figure out how to use Odyssey, the library network. At least the public side of it that's delivered over the Odyssey centralized portal for library users. Library. For my type of content, my size of channel, it's still more efficient to have a website with AdSense, because I'm really growing slow. What are we looking at here? The draft pages. Well, at least in the draft here, have a page with my username, pseudonym. There's a table here. table and some links. Cybernetic have some taglines that I'm experimenting with. I will not be doing this way, the introduction and so on. So there are a few aspects that I'm considering for the main Mali Ready page. In case so. Like user experience, user journey, I can consider, and I can make notes here. Now let me. So this is, let's say, in the video, if I update my bottom line here, scroller. It's not anymore intro. Okay, well, I'll just do it this way. It's not intro. Topic task is work on my website, build it. Oh, that fits the narrative here. Dedicated page. Like this. It depends on the. I'm trying to find some middle ground, what vocabulary I'm going to use. Who am I talking to? I'm not talking to experts. I consider my crowd, to be the curious ones that need that extra encouragement, push into web tech stuff, and then don't have a stomach to go through tutorial videos, existing materials available on the internet, maybe because of the language that is used in existing stuff. But I want to kind of provide a helping hand, like a support hand, to get them on the ramp. I won't be making specialized video tutorials and so on. There is enough of that on YouTube. But I want to actually maybe also next thing to use the AI. It's to get the useful results from AI. You need to know the underlying descriptive languages, the prompts. So with the prompt terms, descriptive language that's used to interface the AI, that way, that's like semantic language, in which way we share a vision with the AI, what we want to get in the result, or just play with AI like a random generator machine. While in reality we all want specific results, not random. So I might write here, remove actually all this. This table I don't need. Photojournal, there is below this, I can see there is a heading that's not used for anything. I'll leave these taglines just for reminder. I will not use any special custom decorations, text formatting so far. I'll just write to get in the flow, get in the zone. Hypermedia is just a descriptor. It's a lab. And it's Web and Tech Smart Studio Lab, and I'll use the fancy keyboard character emote to get the human organic brain showing here. That's the thing. I'll save the draft. Well, for anybody, so last session, I've talked about in the latest post here on the web page, visual aids for Windows desktop presentation for Windows so here we go, living canvas. I'll edit this post. Visual aids in Windows for desktop presentations, which is actually what I'm using right now. It's the mouse click highlighter, magnification, and also find cursor, find mouse pointer from Power Toys. So I'll just visual aids in Windows for desktop prep, and I can update that. Ain't that cool? Clear cache of the page. Well, I just clear cache general. I can close this. So I hope that this serves the purpose for anybody watching on the smaller screens, so they can still get a sense on the content and especially finer print. So what I want to, okay, introduction. Well, let's say I want to actually here provide a list of topics on this page. List of topics and resources on this page. Now I'm using actually the keyboard, and I'll just go through these lines, and actually I'll go back this line, and here now the only thing is that I might also set up here showing that my mouse cursor jumps to mouse pointer jumps to the text cursor. so I don't need to move around. Anyway, I'll use the shorthand for list in the WordPress, which will provide this drop down with shorthands. Select from first, and I'll just get all these headings by deleting, pulling them, dragging the content. And I'll use everything written here. That's what are the working taglines. Hypermedia, oh, this goes here. This goes in the same line. Go there, like this. Okay, that's line break, cool. Next line. Now it's all nice. Now it all fits the one screen. Well, just food for mind, or TLDR. Good practice is to I want to have two things in consideration: the display real estate, how to distribute the content on a page, and also build web pages mobile first. So I've switched to this preview in the editor to show the mobile layout, but I can also check it in the next tab, in new tab, and enable emulator of different screen size devices. If I hit in the browser F12 and enable responsive mode, I know what I should do. I should get my settings for magnifier and speed. I'll go to settings and change the size of magnifier. What I want it to be taller, yeah, right, a bit taller. And maybe I'll try this a notch longer, wider. Come on, work with me. Well, I can show you this also. So here you can see options for magnifier, on, off. Shortcuts are Windows key plus to turn it on, and to turn it off is Windows key escape. And I've used the magnifier lens, not the full screen or docked. Oh, maybe why not full screen? Well, no, it will break my workflow. And also here is the lens size. So what's the deal with the lens size? If I want to here display this. Oh, not bad actually. It's possible to grab these details. This size will work well. Only thing is that one part of it is on my other display desktop on the left. That was my concern. So like if I want to refer to this here, this tooltip here, still out of the too long to fit the lens, and in reality it says responsive mode, responsive design mode, and that refers to this pan, leftmost pan on the browser here. And if I click it, it will show this as a mobile device like Samsung Galaxy Android 5, which is good to build. I like to build it that way because I want to be my website to be readable on the older generation devices. And so if I build mobile first, it will be optimal for actually most of the... Okay, this tool, the magnifier, has issues, crashes in this developer tools. If I click, because it emulates here touchscreen, and now these points will stick on the display. So I disabled also that. I can re-enable the magnifier. But it's struggling how to work with these, how to render and emulate the touchscreen and those things. But I can see it actually it's not completely crashing, just having a rendering issues. So mobile first. So what's the thing with monetizing with let's say AdSense system? The page real estate capital or economy, the value of the screen placement, real estate of a screen. Topmost placed ads earn most, and then down below lower revenue. And also the page real estate, page screen property available space also is the place where developer or creator is actually where the action happens. The user, consumer, content consumer, viewer attention is being captured, let's say that way. Message delivered. So what I do is I first build up the text, and over time I do either substitute or add images that visually speak to the viewers. I just took a glance on my email. Since I'm using Windows desktop workspaces, I've slided to first desktop 1 workspace. That's why also on the other display that I'm capturing that moved away. That bitty thing moved away. I'll just do audio test to make sure that this annoying music is not too annoying. So in the volume here, okay, got it, I got it. Just audio well enough to help me not be too dull, blunt. Eddy, Malevere Eddy. So let's say if I want to put an image here, this will be a page, which is actually this then. Malevere Eddy introduction. Well, here for introduction I can actually do this. Now if you're seeing if you look at here on the left, this is list view of content, let's say hierarchy, a tree of like folder structure, folder hierarchy. These are the list, and they're all draggable, so I can just visually edit around this. What I want to do is I want to actually pull this in this place on the list here, second place, and get some semantic structure here working for me. Make more sense, because the introduction is actually, this is the nature of my mindset. I'll close the magnifier because it kills my workflow for a moment. Hackers Garage Cybernetic Lab. Remove this and bring that out of that line. Add Shift Enter, Shift Return line break, and that looks better now at this point. So actually my concern is let's say like if I double press next line, now I want to use the default block element, which is paragraph, almost plain text. What I want to say for me in U is in brackets here, I'm considering user experience at his point. I'm considering user experience at this point, depending on the origin of internet traffic. What's the experience? But thank you. Experience. Oh, cool. Just trying to force my hand into lowercase x. Experience. The destination or target. Origin. What I mean is, how did the user in plain words. How did and or why some here. So that's the, I think that's the important aspect, how to work on this page. Let's say that I have that I'm just browsing this website and got onto this page. There is a link, navigation link, and I open this page, and what's the user experience here? He needs to figure out what's this about. That's one case. Well, I can just point that out here, like number 1. User browsing website maybe got here from search result page. Let's say you cannot just appear out of nowhere on a website. At least, let's say, web search results. Second is link user zooming from a linked from other linked other linked website or application web application. Mobile app or let's say such platform, etc. Cool. Save draft. So those are the considerations. So, and in reality right now, what's happening is actually I'm trying to squash two bugs, two flies in one. I want to provide you watching the video some context, demystify some, provide insight into some of these topics, and get some sense into the flow of the video, hoping that till the end of this live stream session I'll have enough written trail of concepts, topics I've touched upon during the session, and I can make a post on it and make some reference in between video and the website post article. So this is also for me a live rehearsal, because I don't have a production team here. What's next? So how to make, what's required for this type of web page? Well, of course, those links. So how and links can be represented in a few ways, like image, a cover image, image with text in it, image with text in it, editable text, selectable text, plain text over the image. That would be the cover image element in the WordPress concepts. It can be a button, so that will be more better aligned with the mobile user experience using buttons. And since I've mentioned doing mobile first approach, the WordPress provides a block structure called elements called buttons. Button. They also have some pre-built, ready-made pre-built the design, the buttons and buttons. So button consists of a button group and a single button element. I was hoping to maybe get the pattern design patterns that they provide also, but it's not in this context. They're not available in this context that I'm in, which is a button element actually. Fill outline. There are a few styles. I can just use the style provided with the website theme for now. That will be enough for the intent. There's one more aspect that I want to cover here, is the why website. We are all used today to be able to make some interaction than just read. That's kind of a satisfying aspect of using any app or mobile website. Now, just the basic button is a visual call to action, a cue to user to do something. It's like the tactile, tangible, abstract tangible, fake tangibility call to action element on the web page. And one real thing I can do is allow users to do is, let's say, make an entry into the virtual guest book on website, sign a guest book, just leave a mark on there about their web page visit, like a book of impressions, or just silly way to, or just act silly. That's the usability aspect of the website and WordPress. So that would be like kind of neat for users, followers on the live stream, or whoever is familiar with my work. Here can have a centralized place to, I don't know, express their thoughts or say hi, just leave their mark in this edoga, Malivir, Eddy realm online. What's my coffee level here? Last quarter. Nearing 2 hours in, 1 hour 40 of the stream. Much better, I think, than yesterday. there is at least one more topic, one or two more topics that I can cover this way in a live stream. I'll do it over and over because I need to rehearse. This is trial by fire, doing this visual website tools like WordPress. I have enough experience to do this on my own and maybe record an episode, edit it and so on. But I'm lazy to edit episodes, and anyway they're already available. This way I'm actually in effect providing you the opportunity to ask questions about the topic at hand. And as I get better as I go over these, as I refine my workflow live, I'll expand the topics to Godot engine, game engine, and illustration and print-on-demand merchandise editing, working with that type of service like Redbubble. So here I just said it. I just verbalized the intro part. Can I repeat that and put it in writing? So here for the introduction, move away the magnifier. Well, I don't want to make another list point. No, don't press delete, undo that. Okay, I'll break this first list point. I'll break it into basic paragraph, plain paragraph, and I'll maybe use I might use the trick block, text, dimensions, typography, font family, letter decoration, style, background link, style. It doesn't have a cap drop on the like usually it used to have. Appearance, does it have the appearance? Default, bold. Dimensions, typography. There used to be a drop cap on the default decoration. Well, maybe not underline the whole thing. I just want to underline this one. One letter, yeah? Is it underlined? Yes. And I'll bold it, the first letter. Control B, Control U as underline works well here. Introduction. And get this in the next, not paragraph, but just next line for now. Cool. And now start talking what I've said just a moment ago. So since recently I go live streaming about I go live streaming my about streaming and go live streaming to share my share my I'm gonna stream to share to provide. It's not me, it's not that I'm important, but I'm making it kind of my presentation is kind of a big deal about me. That's not the thing. The common interest is the topics, the subjects, to provide about following subjects and topics. Is it too else? Don't tell me topics. Coding, let's say, coding, almost coding, let's say, HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript. Oh, don't tell me it's JS, yeah. I can tackle anything. So far, what I've seen, what it turned out to be is I can tackle any subject. As long as I don't stay away, all stuff I've tackled so far, I made it. I made some, not a big success, but I figured it out anyway. Just to make a point, I'm almost 50 years young, and a few years ago came into the programming coding industry as a professional, entry level, and from starting from scratch, I learned. I had some background knowledge of PHP. No knowledge about mobile development, and in a year, following 2 years, I've built 5 mobile apps, developed backend for those apps, mobile apps, and so on and so on, and working for decade and a half in a completely different industry, I was always looking into coding. That was like my lifelong education, all primary field of interest. I just leave this like this. Digital illustration doing a business online website and content monetization. Cool monetization, yeah. Just keep dropping those spelling errors. But no, I know how to write. Just that this spell checker is too fast. Before I finish the word, he's already almost like predictable algorithm. And English is online. Go dot game and good at game engine. Yep. Audio production and music mixing, let's say. Experimenting with video production and editing. Editing, not thing. Softwares. That's how we speak here. Into old school and contemporary. That's the thing, into game, old school and contemporary. So that's my challenge. I'm challenged person with this attention disorder, like you see here. Want to know everything. Jack of all trades, master of none. Master of none. And so this is, this is all happening in linear mode. Website development, like for bigger enterprise, you would get teams on meetings discussing all these topics and doing them in parallel. This is all that teamwork, parallel development narrowed into linear mode, done by one person. That's why it takes this long. And there should be something, some other stuff here. Let me see. Let's say Web3 and crypto curiously enthusiastic. That's there. Aren't you? Well, the proper term would be curious and enthusiastic, but I have and already between Web3 and crypto, so Web3 and crypto curiously enthusiastic. So. Hardware and networks savvy yes, savvy, hardware and network savvy, and that's near the bottom of the bucket. It's close to the bottom of the bucket. So if I take a look here, so the prime screen real estate is already now being gobbled up by this intro for this type of layout. And who would read this? Nobody. But it makes sense. So for this, if I look at the preview, scroll a little bit down here. Now we can see that it's saying something, it's speaking something like a page for this, whoever came here, either from some other website linked to my homepage. There's the introduction. So introduction could be just a link onto the section of this page with this text. So that's where the anchors, HTML anchors, come into place that can link parts of the page, specific part of the page. So looking into this as a previous concept with links, a list of topics. Each this one can be a link to a section in the page. And anchor. Where are the anchors here? There should be a section called anchor. Do we have anchors in this type of WordPress? Discussion or comments order. This is the page properties. Anchor. Okay, so I can. Okay, so there is the link here on the top of the page. There is a concept called a link. And so therefore, so this is how it goes. So I define here and place the cursor here, and hopefully I can find here in the search a block element. Yo, Evo on site, how you doing? Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Well, if you're wondering what's going on here, I try to keep notes about the so far covered topics, subjects in the video on this center top scrolling text, and in the bottom here about what's going on. I don't have no alerts. If you're expecting a new follower alert, I'm actually glad to disappoint you. So you know straight away what's going on here on that subject, about that subject. I'll maybe set up alerts sometime later in the streaming season during next month, because I'm multi-streaming and I don't want to break the term conditions of service, like Twitch competitive multi-streaming, simul-streaming, not mix chat, don't mix, don't drive traffic away from the platform, those types of things. Anyway, for anybody coming just for the first time here, I don't have any specific rules. The rules here are the same like general for the platform. All abuse, spamming, and whatever is described in the community guidelines and recommendations for the channel owners apply here. Stay on topic and don't promote C-rap around here. I won't tolerate anything because it's on me. I'm responsible for administration side and making sure that we are all in line with the service policies, terms of and conditions. So, and anyway, whatever you do, you probably overthink it, think it through, and you're taking the risk on yourself. So don't gamble on my reaction. I will do like I'm told to do in concern of the terms and conditions and community guidelines and content restrictions and so on. So that's the introductions about the rules section that's written in the platform over there somewhere, help pages, support, and so on. I don't have money and I don't want to have a purchased audience. If whoever is, what's usually the case, except on the Bolt platform. On other platforms, not on Odyssey, but on Kick and Twitch, YouTube is getting me no attention, but Kick and Twitch usually idle admins and mods from other channels come here selling their services. I don't need bot audience. I'm here to provide insight for the curious ones about the stuff, how to use free stuff on the internet to build something like online presence and so on. It's not the out-of-the-box solution, but there are resources, there are ways. Let me just wrap the fake audience, fake viewership, fake social reach on any platform is like me myself being happy talking to the wall or having a wall with a mirror and enjoying talking to my reflection on my own. That's the same efficiency of having a fake bot crowd viewership, except maybe for the real third-party countries in development, when even 50 cent can buy you, I don't know, a week supply of, I don't know, whatever is required to live over there. My country is also not far away from there, but I'm looking further. I'm not satisfied just with crumbs. I want more, but real stuff, not fake. And there is a way. Okay, so with that out of the table, I can continue with this. So I'm looking about the anchor block and anchor comments. No block anchor. Heading, image, spacer, site logo, terms, descriptions, table. Anchor? Why is there no anchor? Give me anchor or give me... Is anchor deprecated on the WordPress? It should not be. It should not be. Typography, tool separate, font appearance, line height, text decoration, dimensions, advanced. HTML anchor, here it is. Come on. Intro. Enter a word of two without spaces to make unique web address just for this block called an anchor. Then you'll be able to link directly to this section of your page. Anchors are very old constructs. Intro. So where is this anchor intro? Can I see it? Can I have it visualized? Close this and check the paragraph intro. So this paragraph is the intro. Cool. And I then select this thing here and select this link and say intro, a tag, not page tag, anchor. Do I need to put a hashtag here? Is that it? Intro to add this link internal. So intro, it exists here, internal. So if I move away, if I break, what's the next paragraph here? That's that. And this paragraph is this. Cool. That's this paragraph. So for the test, if I move this up to here, above the intro, and check into the preview, well, anyway, I didn't mean to harass anybody. Thanks for the follows, but I just need to. I took opportunity to also rant a comment on the what we experience usually at the moment on the many of the stream sites. What's the experience over there? I'll kill the magnifier for the moment because here's the list and it needs to go below this. No, wait, this is the intro. Yep. And the intro needs to go below this. Yes. And this paragraph is what? Well, this might even go all the way to the top like this. Here I consider, wow, we're getting somewhere. I'm getting somewhere. And you along with me. So I say draft. That is not required to get the preview available, but here is how it works. Blah 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 blah, list of topics, and I'm testing the link anchor. Press here and I jumped here. That's the trick. That's the trick. So that's the in-page navigation, and it said here on the link properties for the introduction. Yeah, it said that the introduction link is internal when I was typing it, editing it. It's even possible to link internally on the page anchor somewhere in the other page from completely different page. So this way it's possible to build one-page website apps, let's call it, with anchors, and then as so if I convert this text introduction into a button, it's even more mobile user friendly as a user experience, like a call to action. Well, this is a button, let me just hit this. But list of buttons is weird. And then again, traditional text links are very outdated for in mobile terms, what we would expect. Maybe even the younger generation completely ignores mobile links. Maybe that's just like ancient scripture, Bible text, pergament, writing some ancient Sanskrit. You press on a mobile a text link and go in the Middle Age, get teleported. So button, so that's the considerations I'm having here. So how to get on the top of the page here, list of topics covered over in the page, going to the bottom downwards. And so at first there should be some semantic concept text, and since this is a living canvas, it works well for me to figure out later on as I, over the next few days, get on the site, scroll through it, I can figure out, oh, I'll grab my painting web browser code, WordPress painting tools, and paint this into, model it into something more visually appealing. But since the descriptive language is human language, first there should be a word, words, there should be not lights, a word was probably the first thing. Well, yes, light, photons, perception, yeah, I get it, but word, metaphysics. No science without metaphysics. So this is taking into considerations the idea of mobile first. What I was talking in the last session is this font sizes. Font size is too big for mobile. Takes too much space. Even these three words cannot fit this default H1 heading, level 1 headings for text, post, page titles, cannot fit the full width of the screen and eating up the page real estate. Alamin, how are you doing? What's going on over there? What happened? Did my streaming restart over there on Bolt or what? Let me just have a peek on dashboards over there. How the live is going on? How's the live? Odyssey, let's say it's okay. Double check that. Here's me on Bolt Plus. Cool, almost real time. Weird listening to myself. So what's the time? Well, I was cut off an hour ago on Bolt, so Are there here 2 videos already? Do you remember? No? One. I'll see after page refresh sometime later when I finish. Kick, what's Kick saying? Kick saying 2 hours 16, that's like in my... the same like in my... Come on, Kick. Show me me, Kick, hey, Kick. My frozen on Kick. I'm suspicious about also on Twitch. I've got cut about an hour ago. What's YouTube saying? What's its dashboard saying? 2 hours. Twitch YouTube didn't got broken into 2 sessions continuous. That's why I multi-stream. Bit more challenging to monitor live, but hey, that's what you get for the money, you know. What did you expect? What did you expect? One-man band production level of professional TV studio. Forget about it. For this many, we're all lucky. We are blessed. Okay, this is my cue to jump away for a second. Be right back. Here, enjoy past shorts, playbacks, replays, clips, shorts, nonsense from from edoga. Range, mid to high range, cut the bassiness from my voice while on loudspeakers.
Obećano, ispunjeno.
Game's kinda loud. I'll just get some background to show. Show some background show. This is like to this one.
Digitalni CD optički,
Aha,
optički
title,
pogon koji su imali,
position.
koji imali digitalni izlaz audio na sebi.
Why don't you
Eksplodirao. Ovaj što sam zanimljivo programe. Ovaj sam uporio sam učinio.
they seem like some toy balls bouncing
Ali on su bio
around?
može isključiti i može se koristiti. Međutim, meni je trebalo zbog procesora nadograditi BIOS i onda se BIOS mijenja. Nemamo. Zvereći, ako poigrate, to njega nema.
Dolbi optički izlaz.
Koja znači on ništa?
Full screen na ovu. Štrapanje, štrapanje. Radioaktivno. Imamo luk, silita, ja pivene vino i destice cijelu noće. Iako zapravo nisam glupo da ne čujem sebe dogovori. To je čisto primjer s tim sviđa način lakšen i reproducira na zvučnike i slušalce i drugi izvor zvuka kao što su Humbug. Znači ovo...
Samo već kako da.
Čuješ me?
Ovo je za ove.
How long I'm listening also.
Navigacijska stanica ima izlaz. Ima i cijelu.
Yeah, I'm back. Back on the workbench. And back on workbench, meaning well, this is what I'm challenged with daily on daily basis on production. This is this is the reason why I say I'm unemployable, because I'm slow and lazy to work and just don't want to force myself. I want to, as it happens, not anything goes, it goes the way it goes. I get the results done, and but I want to make sure they're like almost like, let's say, bulletproof. I don't want to need to look behind my back after stuff I do, so that's why I do it slowly but thoroughly. And usually at this time of day, late in the night, I get most prolific, most productive. And it takes me some time to keep my attention in, restrict my other content consumption, so I can do my work. I've did it over time, but I've decided this needs to be shared with others, like maybe have some conversation, touch upon some shared topics, interests, especially among content creators. We are all looking why we are on the internet right now here. Money, maybe entertainment, but on the streaming platform, we're all here for looking for a way to get something. Let's not fool ourselves. That would be just rude and hypocritical. Yeah. I'm just here for the fun and social. what? Yeah, okay, it's cool to get into the, I don't know, build up a friendly environment, chat in the chat and so on, but I don't know who's in the kitchen, who's cleaning toilets. So I've finished my coffee. I've made some intellectual progress over this. Now this was like a bit yesterday and this today, around 5 hours pondering about this subject, making a website page. So I'm actually building a subdomain on an existing website with a top-level domain. So at edoga.net is an umbrella concept. Well, I want to separate different subjects, and one of the topics is my internet online presence with streaming platforms. I want to share knowledge how I did it and my experience. So that's the Malivir subject topic, the box domain. And so like I'm saying here at the beginning, I'm here considering user experience at this point, depending on the origin of internet traffic. How did you get here? On referring to the website, because I'm building a web page. So this is I'm talking this to telling this myself to get back to my mind on the track of this for the next, let's say, half hour. How long I'm going to stick around here in this session, and maybe make a point, something worthwhile putting on the blog post. Yesterday there were 1 or 2 revelations I didn't expect to figure out about the WordPress itself, like template parts for the theme, like how to get the description showing for categories, page categories showing, yeah. I have that written in a show note. It is showing like for the top scroller here in the video. It's showing a reference to the previous. It's showing also previous session show notes. What are the new show notes? What am I having here in the new topic? Well, it's here in the web page. So I'm using those two text resources assets to build up my also content for the web page, for the website. I'm here considering, so if the user is here from the, let's say, like anybody watching on the video streams, what can I tell them? The schedule, announcements. Okay, yeah, schedule announcements. Well, schedule announcements. I don't have announcements, but I can actually point out maybe about the undergoing, maybe go undergoing, hey, links, photo diary, journals, support, about me, this blog feed, timeline. That's Links, okay. So the links doesn't say much. So that's the thing. So if I look at here the preview, intro, that's this short intro. Am I ready? Hackers Garage. This can be a tagline. Hackers Garage, this paragraph can be a tagline, top tagline, an introduction. If I break this into paragraph, I got this, and this can go here as a list item, because if I get to work in this editor, hit the backspace, I'll bring the text into the list and pull this list item in the order here. That's the introduction. Links to what? Links to, do I have that text so I don't need to write it twice? Online presence and resources. What's going on? Don't scroll like that way. Resources, online resources and presence. That's what the links are about. So links, online presence and resources. So intro. Can I just start typing here intro like this? Did I break that anchor? Edit is HTML intro, yeah. ID intro, cool, that's the anchor. I didn't break it, okay, I didn't move it anywhere. Kill that edit visual edit, kill that code editor. Links, so next, right after this, here I'm considering, okay, I'll keep this list, I'll put it right under this. So this is like these linked items. I can also put this in a group these two terms. Group, so this is group now, cool. List of topics and resources on this page. Now I can also group this list and this, so it's easier to navigate and make some structure in this hierarchy. So I hope this is somewhat useful for anybody hanging around online, live on streams, watching this even. This is what I'm speaking out loud is actually mental work required to use even the basic visual tools, or even AI. You will still need this mental work behind all of that. And my usually struggle with all this is attention my attention is racing often between all these interconnected elements of doing business online. It's required to get some context, get the traffic in and out. That's the graph, that's the abstract, the social graph, That's maybe the term that may be familiar for the community mods admins. Relations, social graph means the relations. How are the social entities related to one each other? And in the internet realm terms, that means the technically how are they linked? Are there links in between? In terms of, let's say, Facebook, social graph is what members are in the group and what are their privileges. Like maybe better apply the terminology and the practices from Discord, yeah. Those who are Discord mods and admins probably feel that they're like, I don't know, wizards, having some power in their hands, setting privileges rules, checking on and off boxes on the bots that are installed on Discord servers. I stay away from that stuff. I'm not on Facebook, I'm not on the Discord. I treat my crowd and think of my public like viewers like more intelligent than with higher potential, achieving more than just being naive that will be satisfied with just basic, cheap, fair tricks. Fair show tricks, like pulling rabbits out of hat or pigeons from a sleeve. So this is but this doesn't apply actually. Hacker's Garage is the whole concept of Studio Lab at edoga. That's the thing. So is the main man and driving engine in there. Here's the concept. That's the concept. Now here is the main engine, and yeah, that's it. Got it. And then here I'm considering, that's what I'm considering. That's cool. List of topic resources. So I need to link through this introduction. Okay, links. Okay, so now the links section. This button is just for the show, but maybe I'll use it. Maybe I'll use it. Maybe I won't use it. Maybe I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. You tell me. I know you won't tell me. I've been there. I've seen it. I see the future. I can see the future. I'm looking. My eyes are up because that's my reference. Where am I? Where's my head in the frame? Because it's really narrow. I move way too much here. Okay, this distance is cool, I think. Links concerning what we are doing now. What am I doing now? Meaning being live on stream. So link about that. How about those links? That's cool. Like I said, since recently I'm streaming, so that's the context. That's the context. Let's say about links about. Where is this list? Oh my god, my mind just flipped 360 around inside my skull. Links, that's how I speak here. Link and go here. HTML anchor links. Cool. I select this and say here hashtag links. Here's the programming. That's it. That's your programming right here. Links. Portebecca, hello, good evening, nice beach, cool. I wish I was on that beach to warm my hands with very poor circulation, blood flow, because they're getting cold here in the studio at 3 degrees Celsius in the night here. How was your day? Say something. Don't just tease with those fancy gifts over there. Why you doing that to me now when I'm doing my WordPress website page dedicated for my online presence that are not presents but presents? Americas, come on, catch up, you're still in 13th of January, we are already ahead. Do you want to know what's going on, what's new in 14th of January? Do you want some insight into the future? It's cold, it's night, it's early morning cold. God. Marty! Okay, yeah, links, yes, links. I'm about these links. So what I want to say is, this is not just one block of text. It says that there are links. Here are links and links. And I'll put that in brackets, like, what are you talking about, dude? There are links and links, and links, well, how to put this? Links. Let's say, okay, there's no other. Well, okay, so links, and next line. So live streaming target destinations, destinations, comma, my content is available on following available on following platforms. Following platforms. List like that. Odyssey. Bolt. Plus TV. Twitch. YouTube. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. That's where I am now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is starting to make sense, at least for me. I don't know about you. How did you get here? But if I take a look at the preview and test the anchor link, link, online presence, resources and presence, links, boing, links. There are links and links, live streaming destinations, my content is available on following platforms, Odyssey, Bolt, Plus TV, Twitch, YouTube, Kick, and what else do you want? Do you have any other place you would like to see my content? 5 is, 2 can go, suggest 2 others. I can have only 5 target destinations for stream at once. And I'm lazy to re-upload, and I'm lazy to edit videos. I'll do that during some off time. Maybe I'll get my video play and make notes how to edit, where to cut. TikTok? You want me on TikTok? I'm not the portrait guy, I'm not the portrait orientation, vertical orientation kind of person. I'm a widescreen dude. Yeah, you know what's with TikTok and mobile platforms? I don't want to dedicate my private phone to and bind it to a app. It's my phone. Hey, can I use your app? Why do you need my phone? Can I install it? Why? I want to use for internet on desktop. Do you have a desktop app? We're on mobile. When I'm mobile, I'm on the mission. I'm not going to, if I want internet, I'll sit at home and be on internet. If I'm going somewhere, then I'm not going on internet. I'm going somewhere. Hey. I see that as a hypocrisy. I go out, I'm moving, I'm traveling, I'm going into town. I'm not surfing the internet. Hey, I'm going somewhere, doing something. When I'm not doing something, I'm at home and I'm on internet. Then I sit at the computer, big screen, lean back, and I do stuff online. Why am I going somewhere if I want to go on internet? How those things mix? What am I doing? What's going on there? That concept is already covered on Instagram with that post from somebody posting a turd in the toilet on Instagram. That's the selfies culture, top performance over there. Somebody taking a selfie dump, toilet dump for a selfie on Instagram. Yeah, selfies everywhere. Selfie in the plastic bag, selfie, a dead refugee immigrant on the beach of Greece, Italy. Selfie of the stranded people on the, I don't know, casualties of war. Selfie, look at me eating this food. Selfie. What? So I guess that 2 and 3 hours in the stream makes me more entertaining. Turns out I get more entertaining 3 hours in. So 2 hours, hour and a half is just warm up, having no clue what to say, and then just get full on after 2.5, 3 hours. Turn loose, foot loose. Is my mic even hot? Yes, it is. Well, it's just dawned on me. About this page. So all this written text there's a way to make it one visual mimified featured image on top of the post on this page, and that will say right away image saying 1,000 birds that are following that image straight down the page stream, and the image featuring what's going on the page. And that image will suggest what to expect downwards. That's the image that needs to go on top of this page. And I want to consider even one next thing is the visually impaired people. Although I don't do much of that specific content, but I want to also have my content be accessible even by those people. So images for, what do you think, what the visual stuff has what's the value of videos to blind people, spoken word, all talkies to the deaf people? What's the what's it said? What's the part? What's the, oh my god. What's the amount of participation of those kind of audience, blind and visually and hearing impaired users of the internet? What do you think they say about talkie and selfie smiley? What do they think about that? Nothing. nothing. They don't see it and they don't hear it. They don't have any idea what that means. If you have an image selfie on this, what's the use of selfie on the Instagram for the blind people? What's the podcasting for deaf people? You are listening. Let's say that person asks you, "What are you doing?" And you say, "I'm listening on podcast." So okay, he knows that listening is something he, I don't know, lost or never experienced. What are we describing? What are we saying to those people that cannot grasp, that have a lifelong time of trying to figure that out, that abstract concept of hearing? What are you talking about? Hearing. What's the conversation between us? What are you relaying to me? You are listening. What's that? Is that bitter taste when you put a finger on the ear and put it in the mouth? What's listening? I'm a deaf person. Can you convey me that concept of listening? Is there a taste for that? Is there a smell for that hearing of yours? What are you talking about? For a blind person, if you say, "I'm watching a movie," what the hell are you talking about? What's that? I don't see, but I can hear you are sitting, that you are there, not talking. What's going on here? I'm blind, and I know that you are there, and you are not talking, and I can hear some electronic noising in the background. Okay, I can hear. I'm blind, but I can hear. So there's something going on, but I don't see it, and you are mute. So I'm perceiving in my hearing a one-way conversation that's not quite clearly relayed to me, because there are sounds and noises, kind of conversation, but it's not real time. That's recorded. Okay, I can understand as a blind people in, let's say, movie or television. I can understand that. I can feel the body reactions, like chemistry going on. I can sense the skin reactions, electrolytes going on in and out, dry skin, sweat, salts. What's the internet for those people? What's the mainstream internet for those people? What's streaming for those people, blind and hearing impaired people? What's selfie for the blind person? What's the ASMR for the deaf person? Okay, let me just get here these links clickable, and I'll close the session. So I have all these sites open, and I just copy the URLs. Okay, here you go. Here you can see. So you see the browser. Let me put that magnification on. Let me put highlights. So here we are. There we are. Right click that. copy, Alt tab, switch to here, go to tab page, that was bold, select this, select here on top the link, URL is already there, link, press enter to add this link, I'll press enter, I'll click it again and say open new tab. And you can see here, so here's one more detail. See, the WordPress pulls over the preview of the destination target of the link, and I can even pull this image out of here and bring it in line, either as a remote asset or something like that. Did I do it? Did I do it? Huh? Yeah, open, mark as no follow, no. Save, pull, save. Click away. Can I grab this image, huh? No, it doesn't show. So bolt might be gated, blocking these remote stuff. Twitch. Well, let's get in order here. Odyssey link, Odyssey. Share. What do I have on the share side of this? It's daily live. This is the, I want to link my channel. So my channel page, open that tab. I'm waiting. Okay, here it goes. Share my channel page, share, copy the link, copy this link, yeah, RSS, latest content, current live stream. I'll take this link. I've taken that link, it's copied, Odyssey, selected, paste it in, hit enter, click on it again, hit edit, open a new tab, click away, Odyssey, do I drag this? No. Yeah, open a new tab. I said it already. Come on. Edit, open new tab, double checking, Odyssey, yeah, cool. Click away. What's next? Twitch, select the word. Not that one, this one, malware ready, cool, close this tab, it's not required. Twitch has here in the profile link, channel shows there on the bottom. I can just right click, copy link, that's my channel on Twitch. And here with Twitch selected, Control Y for paste, hit enter to apply, and we get here in the preview of the link, we get Twitch promoting itself, and that's it. Double click away, that's applied. YouTube. So YouTube, link here, YouTube, my channel. I just click here, right click, copy link, and I'll test that. I can test it with that in the clipboard. I can open new private window, paste the clipboard content, hit enter, go. Is that, come on, open my channel. What are you doing? Will you go there? Yes, take cookies, no cookies. Is that my channel now? What is it? Yes, it's my channel. Cool. That's my channel. So in clipboard I still have that data. YouTube selected. Select chain link, linking link. Hit enter. Click on it again. Check the preview. What's going on in the preview? Nothing in the preview. Open a new tab. Click away. Click back on it. Edit, 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 edit. Cool, cool, cool. Double check if there is a click away. Click again. Nothing showing. No preview on that link. Cool. Double click link. Select the text. Go there. Go in the dashboard. My channel is this. Go back to channel. Yes, there is an URL showing down there. Right click, copy link. Cool. Click selected. Click the chain link icon for a link. Press enter. Click again on the kick link. What's the preview on that link? No preview on the link. Pen, pencil icon, click, open new page, and that's it. That's finished. We got that. I've got that sorted. I'll delete button. I'll delete completely the buttons. Okay, delete. That's cool. That's sorted out. So here's the basics. Getting somewhere with all this. And for Malivir I can maybe make something. Let me check the preview. Saved, cool. So what's going on here on my page in the preview? I've got that, click on introduction, jump into intro, cool. Click links. Oh, cool. You see there are links and links, live stream, destination, my content server, following platforms. Oh, cool. That's all very nice. Perfect. There we go. There it is. So 3 hours in. Okay, I'm done. No, I need to publish this. I need to publish this for the start, and I will also. So here this is a WordPress page, and if I press the page, here are in the right section of this is the page properties, and I can publish it immediately. URL is there. Marvel Eddy. Author is, I can change manually author, and I can set I can allow comments, and I'll add also on the bottom of the page the comments section. I'll say here on the bottom of the page, this is used to comment field. Comment field purpose has a guest book impressions, and that's the thing. And parent, it's parent, cool. So about the image, what image can I use? Do I use any of the... What image should I use for this? What represents me? Any of the old video thumbnails? Maybe something from some video. Maybe this for the fun. I'm 50 years old. It's not simple to make somebody's life into representation. This kind of can fit the purpose. Although I did clean this, I did scrape this on, clean this behind me here. That's in this frame. So here it's cleared. I've cleared it. It used to be here. So maybe I do some photoshopping on that, or maybe just do this, use this. I might also go through live. What do I have live to do for representation? Maybe take a screenshot of this, like this. Here is what I'll do. I'll just hit here. I'll remove the bottom line. Where's the bottom line scroller? Yeah. Remove it. In OBS, I press right button on the video. Select screenshot preview. Pose like this. Put a fake smart. Hey, yeah, this is like a real pro. And that's the heading. That's the heading for this. Okay, I'm mute. I'm not mute anymore. So I hit on this streaming computer. I use the post. You don't see it. I have a draft post where I upload these things that I capture on this computer. And on this computer I can go. Well, silly me. I have already a thumbnail video for this. It's two of them. I'll just upload also this one. Also, I will upload this one, which is right here. This one, yeah. And I'll just drag it into WordPress like that. Cool, perfect. It will try to upload it while streaming also. What's the size of this silly file? 1.7 megabytes. It's barely managing to upload it, but it's uploaded. Save draft. And now I can actually set feature image, press here, and here it is. Here you see I just uploaded from a streaming computer. Set that. It's not a screenshot title, it's Mali Vir Eddy I don't see anymore. Feature image. Control copy that, set that in all these fields. That's useful to have some text over there. Yeah, cool. Set feature. Okay, excellent. Cool. It's not optimized, it's 1 megabyte. I'll do that sometime later. So I've got that. I'll allow comments. What else I'll do? I'll do another thing. Hey, you television, stop that counting down to shut down. No. Come on, I need another image. Oh, I'm gonna play so much right now here. Select. Here's another image. And another image. One experimental. This turned out completely. This is good. Wait, this image is good. It's not the same column. Yeah, it's the same columns. Oh my god, why? How these columns turn out to be the same? But still okay, still good. So what am I saying here? Let me just explain at the end for everybody that removing this, need to close this. Okay. So what I'll be saying here is about the comment below. Use comment form below on page bottom as a guest book dash impressions. Yeah. And in the brackets all messages submitted go through moderation before going public through human moderation. Real do the pro. And bold this, underline this. That's about that. So that's cool. Now I can use this image. For this I can convert this image into a cover image like this, and then for the cover image select here block, inner blocks use condenser box will fit width of this container. Fixed background, do I fix? I'll fix background. No, I don't want a fixed background. Well, what does the fixed background say? Nothing, just can go smaller. No big deal. No fixed background. I do this here like this. What's at the advance? Okay, that's it. Style, cool, inner box. And let's say that I want to put that cover image. I want to send it go down. Oh crap, you don't see any of this. Oh my. I've said the C third word. Called crap. So I'm pushing the cover image down. Where is it? Why don't I see it? Okay, I want it to intro. Does it say intro? Links. Maybe I put the links. I can select links paragraph. Yeah, I can drag this into this and this list also right here, and that's this cover image. Pull down, push down. Yeah, that's cool. What's this paragraph on the bottom? Comments. Great. I can also create here anchor, say guest book, copy that, and here on the bottom I will just get this here like this. This will be undone. I'll say no, this exists. This actually exists. Support. Okay, there's even a support donate page. I've got also this. Well, this also exists. Well, this is unimportant, or maybe not important at this moment. Support donate guest or Siegen signed Eddy Quest book. Cool. And under here I put a link right there. Hashtag for page anchor, internal guest book. Cool, so nice, so cool. Wow, doing even more than I initially thought I'll be doing. This paragraph is not required anymore, but this image cover it needs styling, needs the opacity brought this way, this much. Yeah, like this. That's the stuff. That's it. Height of the cover. Where is the cover? Cover. Height. Minimum height. Auto saving. Cool. Preview. Let me check the preview. So you see here featured image. So mobile first. Links. Feature. So we got links in the cover image grouped in there. Cool. Use comments for guest book. So and then guest book, comments, guest book. That's the thing. And right below is the comments field, guest book. La la la. Yeah. Intro will go into this. So what else I want to do? I want to take this intro. First get this image, convert it here into cover. Like that, and the intro paragraph I bring into the cover. Yeah, this paragraph is not required anymore. Paragraph, delete. And we got the cover, yay. But this thing can be fixed background. Like that. Maybe I just center point like this. Will it stick? No, it won't stick. That's it. That's the intro for you. And there I maybe apply a little bit of dual toning. Like that. Preview that. Wow, amazing. Intro, yes, cool intro. What? Okay, I need to move that intro to the bottom section. And what are you waiting for? Go, sign the guest book. Who knows? What's in this group? Paragraph list. Okay, this is just me being silly. Cover, going. Is this the intro? Yeah, that's the intro. Cool. I'll also do this. And here I'll do this, make this bold. First letter I'll underline. Same for links here. Bold. First letter underline. Guest book, use comments so below for guest book. Can I do this? No. Yes, no. And check back the page, allow co-parent, here it's a parent page, and it's ready to be published. This is the first, that's the thing. So if I kill the mobile view, speedy cache, I need to clear the cache, hit F5, malware, that's the link. So I've got the link, that's this page, go to website, posts, I don't need this, but what I want to check is that page viewable? Yeah, malware Eddy, here it is. Just sort out the order. Order, presentation, that's that, pages, posts, page. I'm looking at the appearance editor. Page, okay, I can also say that this page is order number 0. All pages are 0. But here under navigation, page list, photo journal, just get this. No, I don't want to detach it. Can I just get it cancelled? Can I just click here and select this and get this? Can I get this element? Good, this way. What? No. This here, this orientation, or edit this menu, edit. Menu, yeah, just one notch there, cool. Contact tips, privacy, photojournal. Photojournal like this. Contact, get on button like that. And I save it. Save again. Tada. Photojournal, and I grab this link that I've promised to put here in the photojournal like this. Edit link, paste your URL. Cool, 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 all nice and beautiful, pretty. No, that's how it should work. Yes, now the important thing is that in case I have more authors on this website, it would be good that they have their own page for supporters. And that's why I created the supporters page and gameplay screen original site supporters here. That's a draft published. Mine, no, mine, no, mine, not mine. Categories, auctions, dates, author. Next page, last page. Tapping requirements. What's going on? Ways to support, sticky, view. Well, I can just grab it from here. So tapping, ways to support. Right click that, copy that link, and supporters. Okay. Ways to support or donate tips and put the link here, click, bam, 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 hit enter, and that's done. I'm done. Update the thing. Go there. Go back home page. Is this working as expected? Okay, Malveer, cool. So nice. Thank you. I couldn't do this without you. There it is. Here's my cat Nessie. Very cute. Here's the full image. Feed my cat. Feed my cat. Thank you for your attention. This has been awesome. This has been awesome. So awesome. Signing out, signing out, winding down. Outro going here. Outro, get some outro music on, playing loud. And it's the end, it's not the... Be right back. No, it's the end. Folks, it's the end. QR codes that you see here are in the center. Tips donations page. Leftmost is the QR code for my print-on-demand merch store, my original stuff on Redbubble. or you want to just browse these photos, photojournal, it's that rightmost QR code. All links available on my website. Bye. Get smart, get tech, web-wise with Malivir, Eddy, edoga. WEB&Tech Smart content. Open workshops.